Want to create a viral YouTube video? Today, I'm going to share some powerful tips and tricks that can skyrocket your content to viral fame. First things first, your thumbnail and title are the gateway to your video. Make them compelling. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images. For example, look at this thumbnail from a video that got over 1 million views in just a week. Content is king. Create engaging and unique content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's a hilarious prank, an exciting challenge, or a useful tutorial, make sure it's something people want to share. Keep an eye on trending topics and timely content. Creating videos around what's currently popular can give you a massive boost. Also, don't forget to tap into niche interests. Sometimes the most unexpected topics can go viral. High-quality production can make a big difference. Invest in good lighting and sound equipment. Check out the difference good lighting makes in this clip. Here's a quick look behind the scenes at how you can set up a simple yet effective home studio. Consistency is crucial. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Create a content calendar to plan and stick to your schedule. Take a look at this content calendar. It helps in planning and ensures you never miss an upload. Engagement is everything. Respond to comments, create polls, and ask your viewers questions. Make them feel like they're part of your community. Live streaming and Q&A sessions are fantastic ways to interact directly with your audience and build a stronger connection. Collaborations can help you reach new audiences. Partner with other YouTubers to create fun and interesting content together. Reach out to creators in your niche. Start with a simple, friendly message expressing your interest in collaborating. Promote your videos on all your social media channels. Use Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and any other platform where your audience hangs out. Don't forget to cross-promote with other content. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and join trending conversations. Use YouTube Analytics to see what's working and what's not. Adapt your strategy based on the data. It's like having a secret weapon for success. Focus on metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. These insights will guide you in improving your content. Let me share a quick story. I once created a video that got barely any views. But after tweaking the thumbnail and title and promoting it on social media, it went viral. Small changes can make a big impact. Here are a few more case studies. A fitness challenge that went viral, a DIY project that caught everyone's attention, and a heartwarming story that touched millions. Now it's your turn. Use these tips and start creating your viral video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy creating!